Once you sign up on TranZact, the very first thing which you do is go ahead and create your first document. So let me guide you how you can easily go ahead and create your first document. Quickly, let's go to our transaction module. Now, here is the list of all the transactions which you create on TranZact. So as you are going ahead and creating your first document, how you can do it? On your right hand side, you will get an option of create document. Click on that. Now, here is a list of all the documents which you can create on TranZact. So I will quickly go ahead and click on invoice to create the very first invoice. Now I need to select the buyer company. I will select this particular buyer which is added in my network. So this is the document format. I will fill the basic details here. Now I will just select the payment date. Going below, I will fill the item. So I have selected the globe wall. I will put the quantity here. Going below, as we go ahead and once create the document, an email is being sent to the counterparty from TranZact. So we try to go ahead and make that email in a very professional way. Let me show you how it looks like. I will click on email preview, and this is the email format which can deliver to the counterparty. So we try to go ahead and make it in a professional way so that it gives a better impact on your company's reputation. Coming back, now I will go ahead and click on save and send. By clicking on yes, this invoice is now created. Once this invoice will get created, you can very well go ahead and share it on WhatsApp as well.